Hey YouTube fam, what's up? This your boy Ray Mack. Today we're doing a collaboration with Mama Ray Kitchen. I'm telling you, you're going to love this here collaboration. I want you to please go over there and check out and see what she's doing over there at her channel. And I guarantee you, whatever she's doing, you're definitely going to love. And make sure you check out some of her other videos. The woman is cooking up something nice and special over there. All you have to do is do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell to be notified of all of her videos that she will be uploading. So let's get into the video. Today we're going to do some fried pork chop. That's all we're going to do, some fried pork chop. Everything else is going to be something extra. These are ingredients. We got 2 eggs. We got some of this here chicken flavoring, some complete seasoning, all in one Spain spices seasoning, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and some oregano and tomato basil and some parsley flakes. And I'm telling you, y'all, this is going to be slamming. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our 2 eggs, put it in a nice size bowl. You're going to need a nice size bowl that's going to hold 4 of your pork chops. Then I want you to take all of your seasonings, every last bit of your seasonings, and add it to the bowl. Measurements right now, you could just be your own judge of how much you want in your bowl. All right, follow the steps. I guarantee you, you're going to love this recipe. Now we're going to go ahead and mix all of our ingredients together. After we do that, we're going to take our 4 pork chops, and then we're going to go ahead and submerge them into this here seasoning mixture. I'm telling you, y'all, I've done this tons and tons and time again. This is definitely a good way of frying either chicken or pork chop. All right, go ahead and blend everything together. And after you do that, put a cover over your bowl and let it sit out for at least 25 to 30 minutes before cooking. Okay, I'm using some vegetable oil, and I got my temperature set at 350 degrees. Once it hit that temperature time, then you go ahead and you start frying. I want to give a big, huge shout out to Gerard Oaks. He's the creator of this here chicken fryer. It's a double fryer, and I'll explain a little bit to you later about this here fryer. But the first thing that I'm cooking in this here fryer is some chicken. This is a batch of chicken and not my 4 pork chops. Pork chops coming later, y'all. But if you want to know how I fried this here fried chicken, go ahead and comment in the comment section and let me know what you want me to do for you. This is the double fryer, 2 sides to this baby, and I love it. And it also got 2 burners. Look at this here chicken, y'all. Now let's go ahead and dredge up these here pork chops. Now, what I'm using right here is some regular flour without any seasonings to it. If you want to use any type of chicken breading mix, go ahead and you can use it. But I tell you, do not add any salt to your ingredients if you're going to use some of your chicken breading mix. All right. So we want to go ahead and dredge up these pork chops nicely so we can go ahead and fry them up. So please give this recipe a try. Definitely, I'm telling you, you will love it. Big shout out to my man Gerard Oates for creating this monster. And I also would like you guys to go check out Mama Ray Ray's collaboration. See what she's coming up with over there on her channel. Also, check out this here YouTube channel, Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill, of course. And I want to say thank you guys so much for watching this here video. If you have time, please check out these videos. It would definitely help me a lot, and I really appreciate you. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, do me a favor, love and not hate. Love somebody and hate nobody. I love you guys. Be blessed.